Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Soccer Tales. So after a long time, I'm seeing all of you. I hope everyone is safe. I stay in West Bengal, and there was a cyclone named as Amphan, which have destroyed everything. So right now I'll talk about Danmoy Aralte. Danmoy Aralte is a very good player. He plays from the right wing, and he's all set to join Northeast United FC. Uh, there will be a reunited with his ex-coach Alexander Menendez Garcia, because he's also linked to move towards Northeast United FC. And to be very frankly, if I start talking about Ranmoy Aralte, the most pathetic thing is that last season is the worst season in his life, because he was in the top form of his career and he haven't played a single match. It would be wrong if I say that he haven't played a single match. He played a match, just came as a substitute, but in the rest of the matches he was in the bench. So player like him sitting in the bench doesn't make any sense. So I think that will be a good move, and Ranmoy Aralte will love to start things in a new way. And if this happens, I congratulate him, and I hope that he gives better game time. So the next coach I am going to talk about is Alexander Menendez Garcia. So Alexander Menendez Garcia is a fabulous person who have done a great job with East Bengal for a year, and then in the second year things got massacred. Things happened which was not expected at all. But this is all about football. Sometimes football makes you cry, and sometimes football makes you happy. So Alexander Menendez Garcia have given a lot to East Bengal in last 2 years, not 2 years, 1.5 year, because he resigned on the middle of the season. So for me, if Alexander Menendez Garcia is going to take over the charge in Northeast United FC, it would be a good thing, because he loves to work with the junior players, and there are a lot of junior players with Northeast United FC, and I think that Alexander Menendez Garcia is the right person to take them up. You all know Juan Mera. Juan Mera was such a beautiful player in the I League last season that he's a treat to the eyes. So Juan Mera is all set to join Northeast United FC. So it's a news that he may sign for Northeast United FC, because he already have an offer from that club. And for me, having a player like Juan Mera who plays from the left wing will be a plus point for East Bengal, because he is such a classic player. He's such a classic player, and his skills are so beautiful. I don't know why East Bengal left him, but for me, having a player like Juan Mera in a team is like winning a match. So the player I am talking about right now is Bikram Pratap Singh. He's the most talented guy in the I League last season, and he plays for Indian Arrows. For me, if Bikram Pratap Singh is all set to Mumbai, to move to Mumbai City FC, he is such a young player. He was linked with Kerala Blasters earlier, and he was heavily linked with East Bengal FC since a long time. But I think Mumbai FC is the winner. Winner. Mumbai FC the winner. Mumbai FC, if you get this player, let him play the matches. Don't make him sit on the bench. He is not a bench warmer player. If you take such a young player in your team in the ISL and you make him the bench warmer, then I think you are doing wrong with him. So I hope that Bikram Pratap Singh will have a great season ahead, and best of luck, Bikram Pratap Singh. So the last player I am going to talk about is TP Rainesh. So TP Rainesh is all set to join East Bengal. It would be wrong if I said that he's all set to join East Bengal, because East Bengal have given an offer to him. We don't know what's his decision regarding East Bengal. But one thing I would like to tell you, he's much better than Devjit. I'm not telling you in that Devjit is not good. If you see the statistics, then Devjit is much better goalkeeper than TP Rainesh. But the thing where I am talking about TP Rainesh, and considering the performance of Devjit and TP Rainesh, I would go for TP Rainesh, because Devjit have lost all his confidence. He is all down. But TP Rainesh is still a ISL player, and he is a bench warmer right now. But I think TP Rainesh is more capable of being a good goalkeeper than Devjit, because I think it's better for Devjit to stay with a small club, not with a small club, but with the I League club, and to play at least 17 to 18 matches. I don't think if he comes to East Bengal, East Bengal will give a 17 to 18 match time to Devjit, where he will get one or two match to prove. But Devjit needs actually 18 to 19 match, a whole season to play, because if a player don't play, he will not gain the confidence. So for me, TP Rainesh is 6 out of 10, and Devjit is 4 out of 10 because of his performance. So if East Bengal get a chance to buy TP Rainesh, best of luck East Bengal. So the video comes to an end over here. I will meet you tomorrow. And one thing, that we have our Facebook and Instagram page. You can follow us over there, and please go and follow us. And I would like to tell you that we are having a live session with Shumon Chakraborty, who is a renowned sports journalist and I League commentator. So we will have him live on our channel in Facebook on Sunday. So please don't miss it. Our link will be there in the description box. So I think you people will go and like the page, and please like, share, and comment on my video. I have seen that lot of you see my videos but don't subscribe. Why don't you do that? Subscribe, man, subscribe. Okay, chalo, bye.